Oh, welcome to Vlogmas. Oh my god, I forgot. Hello, welcome to Vlogmas, everybody. I totally forgot to make an intro. Wow, this is horrible. I haven't filmed in so long. As you can tell, I'm feeling a little rusty here. But it is currently 10:45. I am back home making some dinner. That way when we come home tonight, our food is ready. I don't have to cook. It's gonna be a little late, and we're trying to go to the gym tonight. So we got some veggies cooking. We got some rice in the rice maker. I'm gonna do the ground turkey in there. Add like a little of soy sauce. Nothing too intense because, as I mentioned, this has everything in it. But I just want to give it a little bit of salty flavor.
Stretches, for as far as the eye can see, it's reality. Fuck it, it's everything but me. On and on and on and on.
I did my hair, no makeup because I'm wearing a mask. Boom. Try to put caramel on my hand. See if I can do it with one hand. I think I can. Oh shoot. Beautiful. Birthday to you.
Hold on, there's some brightness.
Oh.
She's so over it.
¿Por qué?
Yeah,
I'm really sore. I'm caught a night. Never should be coming in soon, but peace out. I know this wasn't very eventful for today, but you know, I'm getting back into the rhythm of things in YouTube, so I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. I'm all ready now. We have to wear black pants for an SD position, and I'm just wearing black pants and the shirt. I'm actually gonna upload some footage from when I did my friend's makeup the other day, and I'm trying to get this open. Hello. Excuse me. I'm back home. It's currently like 8:30. I was taking a nap. I'm pretty hungry. I am making some noodles. It's not the healthiest choice, but I didn't take out any meat for today. Hello everybody! Welcome back to the vlog. It is December 3rd. I just got out of my part-time job. I am going to actually go. I have an appointment at 11. I think did I say this yesterday? To do the brow lamination. And come along. I'm gonna get a facial with Denise, and she's gonna do my brow tint. So I'm gonna get pampered today. Very excited. Oh. Cool. This is Janice.
Hi!
She's about to do my facial and do a little brow lamination for me. So I'm excited. This is her room. Super cute. Yeah. I'll start recording once we get started. I think you can. Good. Oh, it feels so good. Nice. Yes. I cannot. Look who it is. She got brows. Like, they look really dark on this, but from a distance, I look really upset right now because I like don't have makeup on right now. But she did my brow tint and my brow lamination, and I have brows. I didn't think I have brows because you know they're so thin, but she really likes how it came out. I really like how it looks, and I feel like it finds my face better, you know, because I have very thin brows, and sometimes I'm just like, don't do it. So now I feel like I have something on my face, you know, like cool. She did my facial, she did extractions, she did massage. I had one blemish down here, which I think she got. Yeah, she got that one. I'm currently waiting in a long ass line to get this check car thing. It's like super long. Like all that. Made it back home having some salad. Just added some croutons. I'm gonna add some Parmigiano. We're supposed to go have dinner today, and I hope they take us. We didn't do any reservations, but you know, it's fine. I gotta wash these dishes again. I had to clean up the fridge because we had everything from Thanksgiving that we did have leftovers like the day after and stuff for like the next 3 days-ish, but we still have a lot of food left over, so it's been a week, so the food is not good. I'm so hungry. I ended up staying at the car thing for like almost an hour. Good morning. It is December 4th. It's 8:15. I'm currently on my way to work. I didn't film yesterday after eating that salad. We ended up going to dinner, and this is the only picture we got. The boomerang we took. That was it, and we came home, and like it was so good, so good. This is what my brows are looking like today. They're not as darker. They're not as dark as yesterday, which I kind of figured. It's always that first day that the tint just kind of sits in. I have to work until like I think 5:30. I'll get off, and I don't have any plans after that. Then probably just do laundry when I get home. That's pretty much it. And yeah, I will check in tonight.
Hi friends. Today's day 5 of VLOGMAS, and we just finished doing our weekly grocery shopping at Costco. They're calling?
No. Hello? Hi, how's it going? Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. It's ready.
It's ready? Our car's ready. We came to Costco to get some winter tires.
Unloading what we got from Costco. Again. It just got really windy here at home, or like outside and stuff. So he also woke up with a sore throat, but he didn't feel as bad as I did. I don't know, I just, you know when you feel like you're gonna get sick and it's like that feeling. And then I have our holiday party with Athleta tonight, and I'm like don't feel like going because I feel sick, but I want to go just to be social. Bell peppers, romaine lettuce hearts, some pot stickers, some frozen veggies, not veggies, fruits, soup. We haven't tried this before, so he was like, you want to try anything? And I was like, let's try this. This one. This guy. Guess what? We got our Christmas tree. We got a 7.5 foot for 89 bucks. I am very excited. We got some lights because it was kind of wiped out. Let's go to Michael's, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
It's expensive. 30
Both the
bucks
lines.
for this.
40% off, 15 off.
Oh, look, they have them here. Yeah, like this. Or that.
Okay.
Will that match with our... Michael's was a success. Pink! We got the Christmas bowls and the star. We are at Buffalo Wild Wings because we have no Hot Wings Cafe here, sadly. We haven't tried any little spots that have hot wings, so this is our next thing. My dad should be here soon. We made it back home, everybody. The power went out because it was so windy earlier, and I'm gonna get ready to go to the holiday party for my work, and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna vlog at the party, so I can, like, you know, be low-key or whatever. But I will see you all next week. Hopefully it will be a little bit more eventful. Don't know, we'll see, but we'll see you next week. Peace out.